Hi, and welcome to the Music Moment. Today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to sing two songs in one music moment. Two songs. These songs are both very, very special. They have to do with Jesus. And you'll see here, this is a book, a Bible, and in this Bible, in the New Testament, are many stories about Jesus, God's Son. God sent Jesus to show us all how to live. We will sing about something that happened to Jesus when he lived on this earth. One day he was teaching. He was a teacher and he taught all day long, and he was very tired at the end of the day. At the end of the day, Jesus and his friends got in a boat, and they started to sail the boat across the sea. It was the Sea of Galilee to the other side. While the boat started to go across the sea, it rocked and it rocked, and tired Jesus fell asleep in the boat. But that's not the end of the story. The weather changed. The wind got louder. The waves got bigger, and rain started to pour down from the heavens. It was a storm, a real storm. And water started to pour into the boat, and Jesus was sleeping. But his friends were not sleeping, and they were very, very, very afraid. They didn't know what to do. And Jesus just kept sleeping. So they yelled out, "Jesus! Jesus, help, or we will die." They woke him up. Jesus woke up, and he spoke to the wind and the waves and to the rain, and he said, "Be still." And everything stopped. Everything stopped. And Jesus said, "Why were you afraid? I was with you all of the time. All of the time." And that story is for us too. But first, we're going to sing about that storm at sea. One night on a boat at sea, Jesus slept so peacefully. Here we go. Let's do this. One night on a boat at sea, Jesus slept so peacefully. Suddenly a great storm came, wind and waves and driving rain. Water poured into the boat, it could no longer stay afloat. Jesus' friends let out a cry, "Jesus, help, or we will die." Jesus spoke to winds and sea, to the waves, "Be still," said he. The friends of Jesus were amazed, because the wind and waves obeyed. Beautiful job. Very, very good. Now, that happened a long, long time ago. But do you know that Jesus wants us to know that just like he was with his friends in the boat, and just like he took care of them, he does the same for you and for me. And so our next song is something that Jesus would tell us. And he would tell us to come, O children of the Lord, because that's what we are. We are God's special children. He would say, "Come and rejoice." He wants us to be happy. And that's what rejoice means, and be glad. And when we do that glad sound, it's like make your hands go round and round, like you're just bubbling with joy. Come, O children of the Lord, come, rejoice and be glad. And then let's listen to the verses, because in the verses we will hear that God sent us Jesus to show us how to live, and that if we ever feel like we're in a storm, if things are not going our way, if we're afraid, like his friends were afraid, Jesus tells us, "Do not be afraid. I am with you. Have courage and be of good cheer." So let's try this song together. Here we go. Come Christ to show us how to live. Beautiful. Come, oh children of the Lord, come rejoice and be glad. Come, oh children of the Lord, come rejoice and be glad. Be not afraid, I am with you. When trouble comes, focus on me. I am the way, I am the way, the truth and the life. All things are possible with God. Come, oh children of the Lord, come rejoice and be glad. Come, oh children of the Lord, come rejoice and be glad. Storms will come, winds will blow, but in the world as you know. Remember my word, though I am here, have courage, be of good cheer. Now go, children, tell everyone. Children of the Lord, go forth, rejoice and be glad. Go, oh children of the Lord, go forth, rejoice and be glad. Go forth, rejoice and be glad. Beautiful job. Celebrate that news today.